My name is Jeff Ingracia, owner of the FX Design Team. Welcome to our next extreme waterfall build project. When our clients met up with us, we wanted to hear what their needs and their wants were. And when they expressed to us that they had a few kids, we thought right away that a slide and a swimming grotto would not only meet their expectations, but would exceed them for years to come. Swimming grottos allow young and old alike to enjoy the beauty of the pool, but also have an area to retreat and to enjoy with family and friends, a little oasis tucked away in the side of the pool. We want to make it seem like it's a part of nature that's nestled right in their own backyard. With lights and fire, we were able to complement this project to enjoy well into the evening. Not only were we able to build a structure that was sound and safe, but also aesthetically pleasing and matched the landscape perfectly. Our water feature includes multiple custom rocks, all fit together to resonate and look like you're in a resort. When nighttime hits, the beauty of accent night lighting and fire effects just adds hours of fun and excitement. So for your next project, whether it's an outdoor kitchen, a multi-purpose game court, or an extreme water feature, think of the FX Design Team so we can enrich your lifestyle.